So 535D old start. We haven't used this car one day. Yesterday it was minus 11 and all night it was 11, 12, 30 and so on. Now we have minus 7. You can see that it's a little bit cold outside. I will start. As you can see in the video, that the starter is a little bit not so good, but it's okay because it starts every day like so, and it's not so big problem for me. So watch this. I will try it one more time. It's not so cold, but it's cold for Italian car that has not Webasto on board. It starts every time like so. I think that maybe one day I will refurbish or maybe change the starter motor, because I have a friend with this same car and the same engine that starts. It starts probably the same way, but the starter motor is working a little bit better. I don't know if on the video it shows, but it shows outside the car that it seems like the starter motor is soon going to be replaced. I will install the motor and try again. You can see that it's not a problem for this car to start. Outside is minus 7. Everything seems to be okay. So I think that I will show you how it starts. Maybe minus 15. And if it starts the same, I think that I won't change the starter motor till maybe spring, maybe, but I think I will have to change it. Okay, so subscribe and goodbye.